Hello everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to make a jack-o'-lantern last. How does that sound? Oh, you brought me all the way to this dumb place. Can you get started already? Ow, what was that for? Shush you! You're forcing me to participate in your video, so why can't I force you to participate in mine? Okay, fine, fair point. Okay, so what are we doing? We will be carving pumpkins today, and we will also be learning about how to make them last. Okay, cool. I'm tired of seeing my pumpkin sour on my porch. They're so disgusting when that happens. Okay, now let's get to it. Why is your pumpkin bigger than mine? Well, Stride, you get what you get, you don't throw a fit. No, give me yours. Oh, yeah. What was that for? Well, your pumpkin is bigger than mine, so I'm deserving of it. Stride, why are you using a katana to cut your pumpkin? Why are you using a box cutter knife to cut yours? Well, I guess we're even then. So, the next thing you do is, once you have cut your jack-o'-lantern, you use petroleum jelly on the places you cut. Then you use hairspray on the bottom part of it. Both of these things help better preserve your pumpkin. Yeah, then you wash it out with water, so it will create a durable coat on your pumpkin. You should constantly check on your pumpkin to make sure it's in good shape and continue repeating that process so it doesn't go bad. Now, your pumpkin is ready to be put on the porch. Now go and enjoy it. Sorry for this late video, it came after Halloween, but you know, there's a Halloween coming up next year. Yes, we're finally done with this video. Oh, you thought this was over? Well, you know, we're still stuck back in the Archean Eon. We're gonna have to progress even further if we want to go back to modern day. Oh shoot, I forgot. Oh, well, goodbye everybody. Goodbye!